On the island of Motunui, amidst the vast blue waters of the Pacific, lived Moana, a spirited and determined young girl. Drawn to the ocean, she felt an inexplicable connection to it, even though village rules dictated she remained on land. The daughter of the island's chief, Moana was expected to one day lead her people, ensure resources were managed, and that Motunui remained a safe and flourishing home. Yet, despite her responsibilities, the call of the sea grew stronger each year. Her grandmother, Tala, was Moana's closest confidant and the village eccentric. Tala told her tales of Maui, the demigod, and of how he had stolen the heart of Te Fiti, gifting life to the sea. Moana's eyes would shine with wonder whenever her grandmother spoke of the days when voyaging was common, and navigators ventured beyond the horizon, guided by the stars. One day, a blight spread over the island, the crops began to fail, and the fish disappeared, causing panic among the villagers. The elders feared the ancient stories were coming true, that Te Fiti's heart must be restored to lift the curse. Tala revealed to Moana a hidden cave where the ancestors' boats lay waiting, remnants of past voyagers who had once thrived on the open ocean. Moana realized that to save her people, she must answer the ocean's call and restore the heart of Te Fiti. Despite her father's disapproval, Moana set sail courageously, guided by the stars and the spirit of her ancestors. Her journey was fraught with challenges. She faced towering waves, dangerous creatures, and the fiery rage of Te Ka. Yet, with resilience and bravery, she befriended the powerful, yet flawed, demigod Maui. Together, they confronted Te Ka, and with wit and courage, Moana unlocked her deepest potential. When she finally restored Te Fiti's heart, the ocean calmed, and the island's prosperity returned. Moana returned as a hero, adored by her people, and recognized as a true wayfinder, connecting her past to her present, and looking forward to the future. Moana discovered that true leadership is about listening to one's heart and embracing one's destiny. She showed her people the value of courage, compassion, and harmony with nature. And so, she paved the way for future generations to find their own paths beyond the horizon.